Now in analysis on our New Zealand JPY. So before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For this week, we are still going to be going bullish, by the way, on our New Zealand JPY. As we can see, go back on our JPY index, we see that our JPY is actually falling, by the way. So definitely any pair related to our JPY should actually be rising. So we're actually on a bearish move. So let's still come down. We are still going to be aiming for a short position. At least to where our price reverse its movement, we are still going to be coming down at least to this our area here. So any pair relating to our JPY will actually be going bullish. And if we are to see our New Zealand to our USD, you will see that our New Zealand dollar to our USD dollar is about to push up. So our New Zealand will actually be going bullish this week against our USD, and an indication here we can see that that will give us a bullish move on our New Zealand against our JPY. I'll be seeing a breakout at least to push up to this our area here that has once serves as a resistance to us. So that should be giving us about 200 pips. I'll say 200 pips to grab for the week. So let's take a buy position on our New Zealand to our JPY. We are actually going bullish this week on our New Zealand. Now on our 4 hour time frame, you can see we are on an uptrend move, by the way, and I'll be waiting for break of our previous higher highs. Once we have that break of our previous higher highs, I'll say it is a good indication to actually take your buy position. And now on our 1 hour time frame, still uptrend move, by the way. So above all, our New Zealand against our JPY is going bullish. So let's go bullish with it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.